And combo fix is fairly straightforward. Just type in combo fix in your favorite search engine, and you're going to see that we have a link here that takes us to bleepingcomputer.com. Now, combo fix only allows itself to be downloaded from two different websites, okay? And that's going to be Bleeping Computer and 40spyware.com. And if we look up here, we have some pertinent information, which is what it is compatible with. We see this compatible with the 32-bit version of Windows XP only, and is compatible with the 32-bit version of 2000, and is compatible with 64-bit and 32-bit Windows Vista, and 32-bit and 64-bit Windows 7. So if you have the 64-bit version of Windows XP, then you aren't going to want to use combo fix, even though it's a very useful tool. And we're going to go ahead and download it from bleepingcomputer.com. I'm just going to click on the first link here, and it's going to prompt me to save the file, and we're going to save it to our tools directory. And it's a fairly small program, and there we go. Now we have it. So if we check out our tools directory, you're going to notice that we have the tiger icon here, and that is combo fix. And the next program we're going to go ahead and get is going to be hijack this, which is another very useful executable file. You don't have to install it, just like you don't have to install Hitman Pro, and you don't have to install combo fix either. All of those programs are executables that don't require an install, but they can still do their job. And we're going to go ahead and move along. So getting started on our next program, which is hijack this. Going to go ahead and pull our browser back up. You can use your favorite search engine, type in hijack this, and also include executable, because there is an installable version of this program, but in our case we don't really need it. And we're just going to click on the first link here. It's going to make reference to Trend Micro USA, and you can see we have different versions of it. We have 203 and we have 204, and in our case we're going to go ahead and get version 2.0.4, and as I told you before, it has an installer. It also has an executable version, and of course we're just going to get the executable. If we scroll down and look at the system requirements, you can see that it is good for Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Millennium Edition, Windows 98, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. So this can be ran on any of these following operating systems, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and click on the executable, and I'm going to go ahead and save this file to our tools directory. And it's a very small program. As you can see, it was done pretty much instantly. And just going to check out our tools directory, and you will notice that hijack this is there with the little detective icon. And what hijack this really specializes in is checking out things with your browser, okay? Sometimes you can have hidden proxies, sometimes you can have network problems that are stopping you from getting onto the internet, and hijack this is actually pretty good at determining what those network problems are and being able to help you fix any browser issues that you normally have. So, and also startup items too, I can't forget that. And we're going to go ahead and go on to our next items. So the last two items that I'm going to download are going to be antivirus programs, which are ClamWin Portable and also Avast Antivirus. And Avast is a fully featured antivirus solution versus ClamWin, which is going to be the portable version, and that's going to enable us to do virus scans on machines from just a thumb drive. So the program itself isn't going to be fully featured, but it is going to be able to do scans for us without having to install it on every machine that we run it on. So getting started on Avast Antivirus, and you can go to your favorite search engine, just type in Avast Antivirus, And you'll notice that we have our first link up here. So their website is avast.com, and we have several different versions of the software. We have an internet security version, we have the pro antivirus version, and we also have the free version. I've used the free version on several different people's computers over the course of my career, and it works very well. If you would like, the professional version is also worth taking a second look. As you can see, it has more features on it that enables you to stay safer on your computer, but for our purposes for this DVD, the free version is going to be perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give me my different download options here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on download, and it's giving me a last appeal to get the full version here. I'm going to say no thanks, and on the download site right now, and we're going to click on download now. So of course I'm not going to run this file, I'm just going to save it so that we can install it on whatever machine that we want to install it on. And here we go, saving it to our tools directory. And as I mentioned before, this is also a fully featured antivirus program. Well, fully featured antivirus solution. So it has behavioral shields, it also has network shields as well, P2P shields. So it really is a great program for prevention. Now, of course, different programs have their different specialties, and Avast is going to catch some of your malware, but is mainly going to focus on viruses, and is mainly going to be a preventative step to stop you from having to deal with any sort of malware or virus that you're going to run across. Here we are, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get ClamWin Portable now. We're going to take a slightly different approach for this one. We're going to go to portableapps.com. And Portable Apps is a website where you have different developers who come together to create portable versions of different programs that are normally installed on a per machine basis. So there's far more programs than just ClamWin available. But for this case, we're going to get ClamWin Portable. And also the other thing about portableapps.com as well is that they make programs so that you can put them on a thumb drive, and they're optimized for running them off of a thumb drive, so it actually works out pretty well. And I'm going to go ahead and click on ClamWin Portable. We did a search for it up here, typed in ClamWin, and ClamWin Portable pops up. I'm going to go ahead and click on download. And for this program, I'm not just going to save it, but I'm going to also run it. And the reason I'm going to run this one as opposed to just saving the other files is that this executable is just going to extract its contents to a specified location. So an install for this is just pretty much unzipping the contents of it to a specific directory for use later. And I'll go ahead and close out the window behind. And as I said before, I'm going to go ahead and run the file. And I'm going to click on next. And when it asks for the destination folder, I'm going to select our tools directory again. So when I click on tools and press OK, you'll notice that it automatically populates the path all the way to the tools directory. And if you look at the last item, you're going to notice that it's going to put under our tools directory a ClamWin Portable directory, and that's going to contain the contents of the executable that we just downloaded. And clicking on install, and we're done. And if we go under our tools directory now, you'll notice that we have one more folder, which is going to be our ClamWin portable folder, and we have our ClamWin portable executable here. So here we have our fully populated tools directory, and of course some of these items may be repetitious. However, as you'll see over the course of this DVD, there are certain things and certain threats that certain tools will pick up on and certain ones won't pick up on. So it's always good to have more than one tool available, because where even the tool that you think is the best one may find a threat, maybe another tool may not find the same threat. And that's why you don't want to end up falling in love with one tool, because when you do that, you shoot yourself in the foot, because as I told you before, I can guarantee to you that there's not one of these programs that will catch 100% of all the malware and viruses out there. However, between both of them, you get, well, between all of them, you end up getting close to 100% coverage. And that's it for our tools directory. We're going to go ahead and move on to UBCD next. To wrap up this section, we're going to go back over our different tools and their respective websites. Oracle VirtualBox, though I have not covered it in this DVD, it can be attained from their website, http://www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Malwarebytes can be attained from this website, http://malwarebytes.gt500.org. Hitman Pro can be attained from the Surfright website, http://www.surfright.nl/en/hitmanpro. Spybot Search and Destroy can be attained from its website, http://www.safer-networking.org/en/download/. ClamWin antivirus can be attained from the Portable Apps website, http://portableapps.com/apps/utilities/ClamWin_portable. Avast antivirus can be attained from its website, http://www.avast.com/free-antivirus-download. Hijack This can be attained from its website, http://free.antivirus.com/hijackthis. Combo Fix, our last tool, can be attained from the Bleeping Computer website, http://www.bleepingcomputer.com/download/anti-virus/combo fix.